Your plan isn't falling apart because you lack discipline. It's falling apart because most planning systems are built on weak foundations. Think about it. How many times have you mapped out the perfect week on paper only to watch it crumble by Wednesday? That's not you failing. That's the plan failing you. Here's the truth. The strongest plans aren't long lists or fancy strategies. They survive because of 3 moves so simple, most people dismiss them. And the moment you ignore them, your progress starts quietly slipping away. Think of it like growing a tree. To the casual eye, it starts as nothing but a small seed in the dirt, easy to overlook. But nurture it the right way, and it becomes a trunk no storm can knock down. These 3 moves are those roots, and once they take hold, your progress stops being fragile. It becomes inevitable. Most plans don't fail with a crash. They fail in silence. One secret decides whether your plan bends or breaks. Another drains your energy the moment your initial spark fades. And the last one, it looks harmless until it quietly eats away at everything you've built. And that's where we'll start. The first hidden move that decides whether your plan survives its first storm or collapses before it even takes root. Most plans are designed for perfect days. They assume tomorrow will run smooth. But life doesn't play along. Ethan learned this fast. He mapped the perfect routine. Wake at 6, gym at 6:30, deep work at 8. Day 1 felt unstoppable. By day 3, his daughter was sick. By day 5, the car broke down. His flawless plan collapsed in less than a week. His turning point came when he started planning for storms. No gym, 10 push-ups at home, lost an hour of work, 15 minutes drafting ideas on his phone. His plan stopped breaking. It started bending with life. Strong plans don't demand perfection. They survive imperfection. And survival, stacked day after day, compounds into progress perfectionists never build. But even if your plan survives chaos, another silent killer waits: boredom. The best plans don't feel exciting. They feel boring because excitement is a spike. It burns out. Boredom, paired with repetition, is the soil where results grow. Take Maya, a runner. At first, she obsessed over shoes, playlists, and tracking apps. But 2 months in, the thrill was gone. Most people quit here. Maya didn't. She embraced the dull rhythm. Same route, same stretches, same runs that felt ordinary. Over time, that boring routine built endurance her friends couldn't touch. Her strength wasn't forged by sparks. It was built on steady embers. Most people abandon their plan when it feels dull. But the ones who stay, who welcome monotony, grow a quiet strength that outlasts everyone else. That's why the boring plan is the undefeated plan. But even an undefeated plan fails if it stays outside your life. The final secret fixes that. Most people sabotage their plans by treating them like special projects. They live on paper, not in life. That was Alex's trap. Every January, she filled pages with ambitious strategies. By February, they gathered dust. She wasn't lazy, she just never stitched the plan into her days. Her breakthrough came when she wove the plan into her routine. She wrote 200 words with her morning coffee, edited a page on the bus, drafted outlines before bed. Slowly, the plan stopped being extra. It became the current of her day. That's the hidden move. You don't layer a plan on top of life. You weave it so tightly into the fabric that it disappears into your hours. Here's the catch. These 3 moves, building for storms, embracing boredom, and hiding the plan inside life, don't look like secrets. They look too simple, too ordinary. That's why most people ignore them. But growth always works this way. The roots of a tree aren't flashy. They're hidden. But without them, nothing stands. The test is simple. Dismiss them or plant them. So here's your choice. Keep treating planning like paper, and you'll keep filling notebooks with strategies that collapse at the first storm. Or treat planning like a living code. A code cracked only with these 3 moves. Ignore them, and the plan dies in silence. Use them. And you don't just build a plan, you build a future that outlasts excuses, setbacks, and storms. The secret isn't writing the plan, the secret is unlocking it. You've just learned how to unlock a plan that doesn't break when life does. But what if your biggest challenge isn't building the plan? It's sticking to it when no one's watching. Watch this next to learn the discipline system that turns consistency into your second nature, even when motivation fades.